is absolutely insane.
What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is a quick little video on this Abarth behind us. So it's another TD04 conversion. We haven't done it, but we are doing the dynos and we are also mapping it as well. So it's going to be a really quick and cool little video to see the difference between before and after on this little Abarth. So let's get it. So we're just going out with Shane in the little Abarth to do the dyno runs. Basically go see what it's made of before we do the map, because we all know that once DK Tuning have touched one of these Abarths, they go pretty layered in the. So let's get it. Yeah, it feels pretty dead, doesn't it?
It's making this because the turbine looks.
Yeah. Make a nice little flutter.
Okay guys, so we're back out in the little Abarth. Shane has taken it out. He says that he thinks it's pretty much the fastest one that we've had. So obviously I couldn't miss the opportunity to take it out and see actually what it's like. And then when we get back to the garage, I'll tell you what the actual horsepower figures are. Oh my god! Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Yeah, so I can definitely vouch for Shane. This is definitely the fastest we've had in. Oh my god! So it's in third. Holy shit! Oh my god! Spinning in third when boost comes in. Oh my Jesus! So third, foot down, and hit boost. Oh my god! Oh my god, that is sick! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's spinning in fourth! I'm not even going to try it in first. Put a foot down in second. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god, what the hell? That, oh my Christ! That is absolutely insane!
And that is the Abarth all done, guys, and what an absolute weapon it was as well. 256 brake horsepower it made, so it was absolutely rapid, and as you could see, it was spinning the wheels in first, second, third, and pretty much fourth as well. What an absolute weapon that car was. So if you want like him, if you already had a TD04 installed and you want it mapping, or you even want a TD04 put on your car, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.